It's here. It's here. It's here. Okay. First of all, got new lighting. That's pretty cool. Second of all, it's here. Okay, so if you didn't know, I'm a fan of Doctor Who. And it's one of my favorite series. And if you don't know what Doctor Who is, it's a sci-fi show. And it's been running for a long time. Very long. I'm not super into it. Like, there's some aspects that I do like the villains, the TARDIS. By the way, my favorite villain is the Weeping Angels. Holy crap, I'm out of breath for no reason. My favorite villains are the Weeping Angels. There's the TARDIS, which is really cool. It can basically go through time. And there's the sonic screwdrivers, which are my favorites. And we have a customized your own sonic screwdriver here. Woo! Okay. I cannot see in these. I'm just gonna open it because I'm so excited. I cannot see in these things. Okay, that's better. Okay, I could try to use this. Okay, this lighting's not working. Hold on. Okay, that's okay. I can use. Okay. Okay. I'm just super excited. Okay. I've been waiting for this for a while. I got it on Walmart. Oh, I'm so excited. It's a customized your own, so that's pretty cool. Let me show the rest of my body. Okay. Oh. I love this already. Okay, why is it moist? Oh, okay. I see. So I'm going to make the normal one. So it kind of spins onto it. Okay. Alright, so we have this thing here. Okay, so I think it's kind of like my lightsaber. Except not like my lightsaber. Okay, so it locks in like that. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, this... How am I... Is there instructions? No. Okay, we're doing this blind. I'm basically blind. Wearing these. Okay, I did it. Now. And now. How do I use this? How do I use this? Oh. How do I use this? This is so confusing. It needs batteries, I think. Or does... I don't know anymore. There's other people. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, stay in one spot, please. Okay, so that's how that works. I cannot figure this out. Is it the other way? This is so confusing. Okay. Okay. Getting somewhere. I just need to figure out how to use this. Oh. Okay, this is the button. So we just... I'm actually having trouble with this. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, I love this. Okay, this is the 11 Doctors, which is my favorite. Here's the button. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I've always wanted this. I've had it before, it broke. I think this was originally the 13th. I'm gonna say, because honestly I don't know. And then oh, stop dropping at me. Okay, so it's like one big Lego. Okay. You can tell how excited I am, right? By the way, I don't think I said it yet. This is not the video I was talking about when in the short. Okay, so we have this one, which is, I think the 13th. And then this is the 14th. This is the 11th, I know that. It's my favorite one. Well, I have this now. Honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm so excited. Oh, it changes. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. If you didn't, leave. Follow me on TikTok and find me on Instagram and Twitter. I have all of that. Join me on Reddit, and I'll see you guys next time. This was fairly short. Sorry I haven't been posting. I've been too lazy to do it. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Oh, okay, I almost forgot. Shout out to Deaton Jr. I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. I've been wanting to, but I completely forgot. So shout out to him. He actually helped me. He actually shouted me out on his channel. So thank you, Deaton, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.